This beautiful nature is worth fighting for. Some people are talking about it. Others take action. Sometimes we might feel like we can't change the world. But we can always take small steps towards it. Two volunteers, Dima and Mara, go on adventures.
That's insane.
Do you like this kind of job?
Well, it's nice. This a little muddy over here.
To do their part, film it and show others that it's possible.
It is Riso! I think it's Riso! We're taking our tank!
That even small actions matter.
We got it!
And there are so many nature protection activities you can do. Watch the new Be Brave to Act season and be inspired to take action.